factoring the sum of two cubes and the difference of two cubes. Now, the first one that we're going to factor is x cubed plus y cubed, or the sum of two cubes. Now, this one, the first thing that you're going to do is that just copy this without the two cubes, okay? So, copy x plus y. Look at that, without cubes, right? Okay, now, the next factor, this is our first factor. So the next factor would be square the first. This is the basic rule. Square the first. So we have x times x or x squared, right? And then change the sign, which is positive to negative, and multiply them. So that's x times y, x, y. And then square the last. This is just very basic. So we have y squared, okay? Now, to check if our factors are correct, we're going to distribute this one. Expand. So x times x squared, so we have x cubed, okay? And then x times negative xy, we have negative x squared y. And then x times y squared, so we have positive xy squared, okay? Now, for y times x squared, we have plus x squared y, right? And then y times negative xy, so we have negative x y squared, and then y and y squared, we have y cubed, okay? Now, adding them, these two cancel, these two also cancel, so the remaining we have x cubed plus y cubed, which is the same with the first one, right? Okay, so it means our factors are correct. This is always very basic, okay? Next one. We're going to factor the difference of two cubes. The same process with the sum. Copy the first, copy the two without the cube. So x minus y, and then square the first, x squared. Change the sign to plus because it's negative. So a plus. Multiply them again. So we have xy, and then square the last. So negative y times negative y, that will give you positive y squared. Okay. To check if it's correct, we still have to multiply that. So we have x times x squared, we have x cubed. And then x times xy, we have x squared y. X times y squared, so we have plus x squared, no, xy squared. Okay? And then y negative times x squared, so we have negative x squared y. And then y times, negative y times xy, we have negative xy squared. Negative y times y squared, that will give you negative y cubed. Now, adding them, we have to cancel this two, right? Positive and negative, and then this one positive and negative, cancel them. So the remaining is x cubed minus y cubed, which is the same as the original one, right? Okay, now, I'll be giving an example for each.